Hey everyone, JT here. You're taking the leap and you launch a business. Congratulations. Now it's time to get those customers rolling in. In this lesson, we will explore some of the essential marketing and sales strategies for entrepreneurs. Think of it like this. You just baked a batch of the most delicious cookies the world has ever known, but they're sitting in your kitchen, hiding away from the world. How are people going to know about these amazing cookies unless you tell them? That's where marketing comes in. It's all about getting the word out there about your product or services and attracting those hungry customers. But marketing is just the first step. Once you've got those customers interested, you need to reel them in and close the deal. Okay? That's where the sales comes in. Marketing and sales might seem two separate beasts, but they're actually intertwined. Think of them as two sides of the same coin. You need both to succeed. Okay, so let's break down some strategies. Know your audience. Before you start shouting from the rooftops about your amazing cookies, you need to know who you're talking to. Who are your ideal customers? What are their needs, their desires, their pain points? Once you understand your audience, you can tailor your marketing and sales message to resonate with them. It's like baking different types of cookies for different tastes. Some people like chocolate chip, others prefer oatmeal raisin. You need to offer the right cookies for the right person. Find your channels, where the ideal customers hangs out. Are they on social media? Are they reading blogs? They do attend an industry event. Once you know where your audience is, you can choose the right marketing channel to reach them. It's like setting up your cookie stand in the busiest part of town. You want to be where the people are. Next, craft your message. What makes your cookies so special? Why should people choose your cookies over the competition? Develop a clear and compelling message that highlights the benefits of your product and services. It's like that delicious aroma wafting from the cookie stand, enticing people to come closer and closer to take a bite. Then build relationships. Marketing and sales are not just about transactions. They're about building relationships with your customers. Engage with your audience, answer their questions, and provide valuable content. It's like offering a free sample of your cookies and enticing for more people to try more. And then close the deal. Once you've got those customers hooked, it's time to close the deal. This is where your sales skills comes in. Be confident, be enthusiastic, and be clear about the value you offer. It's like offering a special discount or a bonus cookie to encourage people to buy the whole box. Now, marketing and sales are an ongoing process. It's not a one-time thing. You need to constantly adapt your strategies, implement and experiment with new approaches, and stay ahead of the curve. But with the right mindset and a solid plan, you can attract those customers, build lasting relationships, and grow your business to sweet success.